Welcome back to Park Time, where self-proclaimed kings and queens who park like they rule the kingdom get the most bitter endings imaginable. Never park like you own the entire planet, because other people's patience has limits, and the aftermath often leaves scratches that never truly fade. He tried to intimidate someone and ran into the wrong person, turned pale, and quietly drove off. He acted all tough and got instant karma, satisfying and hilarious at the same time. He tried to mess with someone and turned himself into the joke of the street. Unreal. He stepped out ready to teach a lesson and froze the second he saw who he was dealing with. That sudden move in the Camry caused the car behind to slam right into her. Total heart stopper. He tried to act like the big boss, ran into someone calm and confident, and quietly backed down. Seeing him cling to the hood while the driver kept accelerating, that was nerve-wracking. That's why when there's snow or ice, you either need snow chains or you shouldn't be driving at all. He kept provoking and cutting someone off, then got hit with a bitter ending. Anger took over. He tried to flex his strength but faced someone fully prepared. Quiet retreat was the only option. The entrance wasn't even locked, but somehow it looks completely sealed off.
Look, that's two driveways they parked in front of. That one.
That tiny car caught in that situation, you almost feel bad for it. All of this tension over a single parking spot. Feels like a showdown. He reversed with full confidence, but whatever was behind him clearly disagreed. He backed up with determination, then froze the second it went wrong. No replay needed. You can tell something's about to happen. Didn't bother reading the sign carefully. Now he'll be reading the bill very closely. How did that car end up turning into a swimming lesson? Don't let your temper heat up. Your steering wheel might follow. I wonder if he even turned around to check on his own car. That happened so fast, no time to process before it hit. That car definitely picked the wrong person this time. Parked it and left clear evidence behind. Wow. Getting out of there probably means clearing that whole mess first. Parking right in front of someone's house and thinking it's fine? Bold move. Drive like that and you'll be listing the car for sale sooner or later. He kept a straight face, but the glass definitely didn't survive. He kept a straight face, but the glass definitely didn't survive. They didn't want it to escalate, but he just had to push it. The sign was right there in plain sight. Come on. It was just a tiny move, and now it's a story that'll be told all year. The view was beautiful, but the ending got completely soaked. He thought it was just temporary parking. Next thing you know, he's being relocated. Overconfidence always finds a way to bounce back at you. It looks minor, but that repair bill is going to hurt. Those road markings aren't just decorative, my friend. That's someone's gate, not your private driveway. That car practically merged with the landscape. Shocking to see. All that effort just to park. It looked like a full cardio workout. He handled it like a video game, but real life doesn't have a restart button. He was confident until physics had something to say. One reverse move and even the curb seemed shocked.
Just laying there on the ground.
After parking, he realized the plan was flawed from the start. After parking, he realized the plan was flawed from the start. All that chaos over one parking spot. You could tell from that move it wasn't going to end smoothly. No matter how skilled you are, there's always a moment you overdo it. It's not heavy traffic, just someone parked a little too carelessly. Creativity is great, just not when it's applied in the wrong place. Confidence is great, but confidence like this driver's can cost you a fresh paint job real quick. The lesson here? Slow and steady on the road, folks. If you were in this situation, would you be screaming in panic or just forcing an awkward laugh? Drop your answer in the comments and don't forget to follow Park Time for more moments like this.